Dear viewers, welcome to Android tutorial for beginner. Today I will show how to go one activity to another activity by clicking button. So here is our main activity and here is the second activity. So main activity's layout is layout main. Here is the main content. So here is the main activity. Main activity. Now we can create a button app content text go to second activity. You can take new layout. So here is the button. We can set the ID btn go. Now we can get button from our main activity. That is our main activity. Button find by id btn go. Now we can set the click event listener of button dot set on click event listener new as the click event button listener. We can jump one activity to another activity by intent. So we can define the intent new intent. This first parameter is this class and second parameter is second activity where we can go main activity dot this and start activity sorry, here is the intent I. So we can go the second activity. At the second activity, you can take the text view, paper, text, second activity, background, text size. You can set the background color, text color, second activity. So now we can run our project. Now we will show how to go one activity to another activity by clicking button. Here is the main activity. Now we will click the button, go to second activity, click, and this is the second activity. Now we can set the second activity to first activity by clicking another button in second activity. Here is the second activity layout. Button down. First activity. We can set layout, linear layout. Go to main activity. Here we can get the button button plus find by id dot id dot go to first activity. We can copy the on click event listen. Btn Here is the on click listener. So we can set the intent second activity to main activity. So here is the second activity, this class, and here is the main activity. So now we can run our apps again. So this is the main activity. Now we can click the button, go to second activity. Here is the second activity. Second activity button name is go to main activity. Click the go to main activity button. Here is the main activity. So one activity to another activity, for jumping, we can use the intent used for call one activity to another activity redirection. Thank you.